Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Iktaindians. Today I am going to share with you another most popular, extremely delicious, authentic traditional Bengali dessert recipe, taler kheer or palm pulp pudding. Taler kheer or palm fruit pudding recipe is very popular on the occasion of Janmasthami, which I prepare in very easy and simple way. So let's start the recipe. Here I take 2 cups sweet palm pulp, 1 cup full fat milk, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup grated coconut, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 to 3 cardamoms. Now I put a pan on the gas and add 2 cups palm pulp into it and boil it on medium flame. I will stir it continuously, otherwise it may burn. After that, I am adding 2 to 3 crushed cardamoms into it and mix it well. Then I add 2 to 3 bay leaves and 1 cup sugar into it and give it a nice mix. Now I boil it on medium to high flame and continuously stir it. When it starts boiling, then I add 1 cup grated coconut into it and mix all the things very well. When the mixture becomes thickened, then I add 1 cup full fat milk into it and mix all the things very well. Now I cook it on medium to high flame for 10 minutes and stir it continuously. Now the mixture should be cooked till it becomes dry as required consistency. The mixture is now as thick as I like, so I turn off the gas. Now I take it out from the pan. Let it cool down completely. My today's recipe, most popular, extremely delicious, authentic Bengali taler kheer or palm fruit pudding is ready to serve. I hope you like my today's style of cooking, which I prepare in very easy and simple way. To make this auspicious Janmasthami festival more colorful, you must try this recipe at your home. I'm sure you will love it very much. I need your support. Please like and share my recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please send your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section of my video. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.